Could you hear the silence? My children are coughing like mad. And I have a tip for you. If you cough and it's due to a cold, to make it stop, often when you cough a lot and it's due to a cold, you cough more when you lay down and during the night. And if you want that to stop, chop an onion, just a raw onion, and put it in whatever container and bring it with you. Even if it's just during the day, you just chop up an onion and sniff it. Well, not into your nose, just the smell from it. It helps. It really does. And so they were coughing, almost puking so much because they're coughing so much. And now it's almost quiet. They will cough on and off, but it's almost quiet now. So that's a very good and useful tip from me. Do it, because you won't regret it unless you really hate onion, and because the next day your bedroom will smell like a raw onion, and so you will have to air out the room. But you will have had a really nice sleep. So go do it.